Guys, Nick, scooter check. First scooter check on this new account. So start from the top and go down to the bottom. Starting off, we got blue Team Proper grips. Really nice, got them today. With the plastic burns. Got the Viper bars, 18 wide, 21 high. Monster sticker, Yak sticker, turn down sticker. Very nice. District double clamp, silver, pretty nice, got the shim in there. Moving down to the headset, we got an FSA Pigs in silver, really nice, nice spin. Laser Ultra Pro reinforced fork, a Demon black and blue Demon metal core. They're all red, I guess. Not the best wheels. I do have my other one. Got a QCS aluminum peg. Bolts. The deck. Got an Ultra Pro deck. Really good. Full deck grip tape. Hang 5 grip tape. 4.0 deck. Nick graffiti grip tape. Got Ultra Pro brake, not very good. An A model wheel with ABEC 5 bearings. Yeah, and another Quebec Scooter aluminum peg. Thanks for watching the Scooter Check. Please subscribe. Thank you.